my name is Kaveshri. I'm from Hyderabad. I've completed my graduation in Computer Science Engineering from Srinath Institute of Science and Technology in year 2025. As I'm coming from Computer Science Engineering, I was good at software, but I was interested in embedded system, like how software was interacting with the hardware. So I have chosen this path, and I have known that Emertxe Information Technology is providing the training for advanced embedded systems. So I was interested to join. Coming to academic teaching, they only teaches the theoretical, which is important for the exam. There will be no practical, and also they will just explain some projects like you have to do your own. There is no help of mentors. You will just copy and the paste in academic. Coming to here, we were learning from basics to advanced, where we were getting the depth knowledge about the concepts and how it is working. Like they were giving some assignments, and they were keeping some like weekly test, how you are good at this concept. If you're working on structure, it tells like from basics to advanced how structure is working with one assignment. So in this case, with one assignment, you can get a concept how it is working. And coming to projects will give the hands-on experience. With combination of different assignments, the projects are working. So I have completed level projects. Coming to advanced, I have completed 3, and data structures 2. A microcontroller, I have completed 4, and the Linux is 1. And here coming to my like Sasken interview, my like Linux played a very important role. Like they have asked some system calls, and they have asked some how mini shell project works. So this helps you in your interviews. Yeah, this is my first interview. Before that, I did not attend. And coming to Sasken process, like first it is written test. Like it is combination of MCQs plus coding, 1 coding questions. And as the technical round. So the mostly technical questions like advanced C plus data structures and the Linux and the microcontroller. They have asked some theoretical questions, and they asked some logic questions in it. It was good, as I'm feeling very thankful to the Emertxe for giving such a training, especially for the women.
My name is Hemanth. I'm from Kerala. I completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I passed out in 2024. I studied in Vidya Academy, Thrissur. So I asked them about how the course was, how the curriculum was. I got a positive review. Also, my stream is in electronics. So I thought to come into my own field, do software development to hardware. So I took up the course for embedded systems, and also I have did some projects in college that also increased my interest in embedded systems. So I came here and took up the course. In college, it was basically theoretical. We need to study and just pass the exam, that's it. And in Emertxe, it was totally different. We studied everything through projects. They will teach us the basics, they will teach us the knowledge, then we should apply that knowledge into project. And assignments and project from Emertxe is really important, because if you're doing assignments alone by yourself, you will know how to do the projects. So every module has 10-20 assignments, and after the assignments you will start doing projects. So many people do assignments using ChatGPT or searching Google or copy pasting. That is not a good way to do. So doing assignments by our own and applying that into project will be really helpful for interview preparations. So you don't need to start from scratch. Totally, I did 9 projects, 4 from C and 2 from DSA, 2 from microcontrollers and 1 from Linux internals. Every project is really important, because from the first project to the last project, every project will help you towards the interview preparation. So we need to do projects on our own. We shouldn't depend on others. The mentors will explain the project, and we should do it on our own. We shouldn't copy paste. It will take time, but we should do it on our own, so that it will be really helpful. Microcontroller projects mainly helped me for the interview preparation. So one project was CAN-based automotive dashboard. So it really helped me how in automotive cars, how the sensors send the data, retrieve the data using some protocols. So that made me really gain in-depth knowledge in how communication works between peripherals, between sensors. So mainly microcontroller projects were really helpful, because we need to apply all the knowledge from C, DSA, we need to apply everything. So totally I have attended 2 interviews. The second interview I got in. So there was totally 3 rounds. One was coding assessment, second was the technical round, and the third one was HR interview. The overall journey was good. Don't ask everything to AI. First take your time and do the problems or projects by yourself. Write it down and do everything by yourself. And even after you don't get somewhere, Ask your mentors or ask your friends and then ask AI.
My name is Sainath. I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication from JSPM Nari Technical Campus, Pune. I completed my BE in 2025. While doing projects in my academic, I developed my strong interest in embedded system. So after my degree, I decided to join Emertxe to upskill my knowledge in embedded system and gain some hands-on experience in microcontrollers. In Emertxe, I gained both practical knowledge also as well as theoretical knowledge. I did total 12 projects during my training in Emertxe. So this project helped me to develop my technical skill, and also it helped me in my interview also. In C module, I did total 4 projects, and in Linux internal module, I did 4 projects, and also in MC module, I did 4 projects. In each module, I did total 4 projects. Linux internal module helped me a lot during my interview process. The process for this Sasken, there was totally 3 rounds. First round was written test and programming, and then second round was the technical interview, and third round was the HR interview. I am very thankful for Emertxe providing embedded training and also industry level oriented learning. And I advise to students to stay consistent and improve your technical knowledge and also solve lead code problems as well as hacker rank.
Hi, my name is Afifa and I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Emertxe Institute of Technology in Bangalore only in 2025. So I have always been passionate about embedded system. That's why I chose EC in my BE. After my completion of my graduation, I wanted to pursue my career in embedded system. So I was looking for an opportunity to gain the industry relevant skill. That is where I came across this Emertxe. So in college, we used to learn things, but we used to memorize them, and just to write exam, we need to study those. I would really like to thank Emertxe for their excellent training here. Mentors helped me to improve my technical as well as debugging skills, and also they'll conduct the one-on-one mentor sessions, which really helped me to know about my strengths and weaknesses. So the assignment plays a very important role. During training, we just learn the concept individually, but when we do the assignment or when we do the project, the multiple concepts will combine together and we'll apply those knowledge on those projects. So it really helps to improve our technical skill as well as our problem solving and debugging skills. So totally I have completed 13 projects here. In C module I have completed 4 projects, and in data structures I have completed 2. In Linux internals I have completed 2. In microcontrollers I have completed 1. In pre-autos I have completed 4 projects. Especially during my interview, they asked me about some question on data structures. Since I have completed the projects in data structure, I gave that as real world example, but I think that really helped me to crack this interview, I think. Yeah. During our projects, we used here STM32 board, which really helped us to how that sensors interacting with microcontroller, then the microcontroller is sending the signal to our display, how we are getting those results on display. It really wondered me, and it gave me more curiosity to learn about those and do more such projects on embedded system. So before Sasken, I have attended 2 interviews. This is my 3rd one. So in previous interview also, I have went through last round. Then in this round, there were 3 rounds. One is written test, including programming test. Most probably they asked more on pointers, and then they more focused on Linux internals as well. Then after that, we had HR round. Today my journey was excellent, and I would really thank Emertxe Information Technology for such a wonderful training. Emertxe just not only improved my technical skills, it has taught me discipline, consistency, and the importance of continuous learning. So I would like to give them advice like stay consistent with your preparations and work regularly on coding, and believe in yourself even though when results are not immediate. So this is really help you to crack the interview.